Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you Cinnamoroll inspired outfit and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I create this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and you can choose this bang as well. We're going to combine it, and the second one, you're going to go to the top area and wear this top, and then I'm going to move to the skirt area, and then I'm going to wear the skirt, and I'm going to show you the color code that I use for the Cinnamoroll character. Okay, this is for the code, and for the belt I'm going to color it white. Okay, the next one, we're going to wear this sleeves, and then I'm going to change the toggle to 3, and for the color I'm going to make it blue. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the accessories, and I'm going to wear this necklace, this one, and color it blue. Alright, and wear these earrings, color it blue for the second selection. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this hat, and we're going to change the toggle to bunny ears, and I'm going to color it white. Okay, and then I'm going to grab this item as well as the accessory. And for the first selection, I'm going to make it blue. Second selection, white. And the third selection, also white. Okay. And then I'm going to move to the dressing room. I'm going to use coats item. Okay, I'm going to wear this leg warmer, make it white, and I'm going to wear this boot and make it blue for all of the selections. Okay, and okay guys, this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.